You've always been the nurturer, the one who holds space, keeps memories alive, and loves with everything you have. But this June, the universe asks something different, to turn that care inward. You've spent so long being the one others lean on, checking in, holding hearts, but now the stars gently remind you it's your turn. On June 9th, Jupiter enters your sign, a rare, quiet blessing that only comes once every 12 years. It doesn't arrive like thunder. It shows up like morning light, softly stretching across your world. This shift brings expansion, but not in loud ways. It invites you to take up space, to believe that your dreams deserve attention too. You don't need permission to grow. You just need willingness to begin. With Mercury entering your sign mid-month, your words carry more weight. You're not just speaking, you're revealing. Say what's been tucked away. Let someone in. There's healing in honesty, even if your voice shakes. Venus moves through Cancer most of the month, softening your aura. You're glowing, and not because you're performing. It's because you're coming home to yourself. You may notice people are drawn to you now, but let them meet the real you, not the caretaker, not the strong one, just you. Mid-month, Mars squares Uranus, and things might feel unstable, especially with money or family. Instead of reacting, pause. This is your chance to respond from clarity, not fear. Career-wise, you may crave more meaning in what you do. More purpose, less pretending. Even small adjustments can shift everything when aligned with your heart. Emotionally, you're shedding old skins. The stories that said you're too sensitive, too much, they were never yours. Let them fall away. You don't have to armor up to be strong. By the time the sun enters your sign on the 21st, your solar return begins. This is your moment. Celebrate not just your resilience, but your softness. Not just your ability to endure, but your willingness to feel. You're not here to fix everyone. You're here to feel it all and still rise. This is your invitation, Cancer. Be your own safe place. Let your heart lead, even if it trembles. You don't need to be everything, just true. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.